CrustNet.
At your node, you'll want to do a biodiversity survey, and that could be one person surveying for 40 minutes or two people surveying for 20 minutes each. The goal of the biodiversity survey is to create a list of all the moss and lichen species that are at your site. And so if you've been measuring plots for a while, you'll have a good list already created. And then you could spend your time searching the microhabitats at your site where you maybe haven't been spending as much time. If you are doing the biodiversity survey first, which could be a great idea for getting a sense of the species at your site, then you'd want to walk around and spend time in all the different places on site that you might find moss and lichen species. It's really helpful to carry around a trowel or perhaps a knife so that you can take some voucher specimens back to your vehicle or back to where your guidebooks are, and you can spend some time looking at key features and trying to figure out which species you have.
Once your timer has started, cover as much ground as possible. Collect samples in a paper bag as you go. Do not spend a lot of time in the moment confirming the species identification. Rather, grab and go. After the allotted search time, you can review your collection, assign IDs, and determine which species require further identification work. More information about identification can be found in the protocol, with links to videos about bryophyte and lichen ID on the Dirt Lab website. It is important to use a hand lens or other magnification tool to determine characteristics and key features. Please also consider contributing photos of the bryophytes and lichens at your node to iNaturalist. You can upload multiple photos per species observation, so be sure to include photos at different scales and with different angles, including both reproductive and non-reproductive structures. iNaturalist is a great way to share your expertise and local knowledge with a broader community. We invite you to help other CrustNet samplers by suggesting identification or providing identification tips through iNaturalist. iNaturalist is also a good way to get identification help for unknown species.